Good morning, all. So, a couple of bad trades, not bad trades, but just didn't work out trades. But I am looking at a couple of trades here on silver. I like this. We were able to break this yesterday. We are keeping it right now. When news came out right now, I do like to go long on silver with this white line right here being the stop loss. Although you can actually probably argue that that should the stop loss right there. So I'm gonna take one. It is a little high, so we're taking kind of a big risk here because we can come back here. But I do like to keep going on, so I am gonna take one
Order filled.
with our account. Stop loss will be right there. So it's a pretty wide stop loss. 220 or so. So it definitely can come back and bite us in the ass. So I'll keep some. I'll definitely keep looking at it and see what's going on. But I do like it. I'm just gonna take one, nothing crazy. Uh, you know, Looking for somewhere around there. So it's a one-on-one trade. We'll see what happens. If we do start to really push up, like really push up, what I'll do is once this candle forms, this 15-minute candle forms, I'll go ahead and I'll probably do this, which guys do in the 15-minute. If we really start to push up, real fast like this, then I'll have something like this where then my stop loss will go like, here, already up $20 just like that. Um, so I'll see what happens then, just because it starts really pushing up, we really want to capture as much as we can of the trade and we'll get out ASAP. We don't want to just stick around and do nothing. So that's my trade for now, nothing else. News came out and it kind of flushed the market at the moment. So as you can see here, we really kind of fell. Um, we are breaking right now. So uh, Nasdaq. Let's see. Yeah, you see here we have one, you have two, you have three, you have four right now, and we are falling right now. We did break with Trump news, so I'm gonna see how we finish. If we finish below it, um, yeah, this is like a definite trade right there. You know, with this being the stop loss. But I'm gonna wait because we don't know what's gonna happen here. This with Trump news doesn't come out and say tomorrow or right now, and then boom, just pushes up. So I'm not gonna take this, not yet at least, until we see how this candle closes. Hopefully it closes below here, and then I'll take the short on the Nasdaq. With this being our stop loss, I'm fine with that. But for now, all I have is the silver trade. Like it here. I told you, we'll see if this 15-minute can hold. If not, we'll. But for now, the stop loss is this white line right here on the hourly. Right there. So stop loss is right there. Just below this candle short. So we'll delete that for now. We're gonna use it. So wait another 3 minutes or so. 15-minute will finish. We'll see what happens here. I do like it to got a nice push up. I was gonna take gold, but gold isn't really breaking this yet. You can see here. You could make the argument this is it, but you see, it still has some movement to push and hasn't really broken anything. So I don't want to take it. Just because. Same thing with platinum. It's just platinum's just chilling. Literally, you can make this, but you're still way below where it needs to be. Not saying it can't go up from here to here, but there's no entry for us. That's a clear entry. So obviously this is a huge support. You can see here, this is a massive support right there. That's a huge support. So obviously it's come back and go up, but you don't want to play that. We're just gonna relax and see what happens. And go from here, guys. But that's all for now, and then we'll come back again and look at Nasdaq, see if we can go ahead and take those shorts, and then the only other thing I was looking at was oil, but again, still to the upside. We need another touch before we can get in, and say they're on the low side. Nothing really. You have the support right there, but nothing really. You can really play at the moment, not to our strategy, so we don't have no entries there. Yeah, so we'll stick with silver right now, see what happens with silver, and we'll go from there, guys. All right, see you soon. All right, guys, so we're back here. We're up almost $70. Very quick. That was a great trade. So although I really want to take this to 15-minute. I am gonna do this because look, we're up 80. This thing is just jumping, and I really don't want to leave any profit at all. Because we had a tough day, so I'm gonna put my stop loss very already at 60, and if we can hit 100 and let's see what this around this, which is that high right there, I'll take it. So I'll take either 60 or 140. That's pretty good. Looking at this, you can see here we just had a huge jump. We're up $85, 90, 100. I think I'm just gonna take the prop here, guys, just because it could be going up, but I want to take it. We had a want to get a little bit of that, red trade. We had red all week. This is our first green trade, so I think I just want to take it. So I think I'm gonna take it right here as soon as we can get hit right there, and we'll take a nice green trade on this green, just because we don't want to just we have a trade. We had 3 green trades in a row this week, so at least this will sum up some of it, and then we'll be able to get out, call it a day, and call it a week, and we'll be down just a little bit instead of being so much up. Sometimes you see profit, you gotta just take it. You can't just be whining about it. Just think it's just the best way. So we'll take it here.
Order filled.
105. Spread sucks. That's why. Oh, we probably could have gotten it there, honestly. But we made up some of the loss. I think we were down around close to 200 for the week. Here we're down now only 100 or so, maybe a little over 100. But at least we made it all up. So we're good here, guys. I don't know if I'll take another one. Let's look at MNQ one last time. It is still, coming down here. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. But see, this is what I mean. This is what I was waiting for, the hourly. But we have one good trade. We'll keep it there, and then we'll see if this might end the week or we'll come back. All right.